Oh my! Hungry Fat Chick, what are you doing here? I thought this was a Nikocado Avocado video. So I think it's safe to assume then that this video is going to be mostly going to consist of dead air, heavy breathing, mouth noises, and that annoying air conditioner. Quality content from these mukbang channels as always. 10 seconds into the video and it's mostly just inhalation, exhalation. Nick, you're a channel with 1 million subscribers. Did you get this far without learning how to edit, boy? Meanwhile, poor Candy is just sat there, starving, wasting away whilst you faff about with your camera. Terrible host, I tell thee. Shocking, shocking. What in the blazes are you doing, Nick? You've zoomed in, so you clearly do edit, which means you purposefully left in all that dead air and heavy breathing. Who finds this entertaining? You couldn't cut out that annoying background white noise. And why are you breathing so heavily? Candy, I can understand. I mean, she's clearly starving, waiting on you to record, but you? Perhaps the air is a bit thinner in that room, eh?
So, you don't feel anything from the first shot, do you?
Jesus Christ, Nick, you can't ask that! Have you no sensibility, no civility, or common sense? Of course she can't feel the first shot. A gentleman not only should never ask a lady that question, but neither should he care.
I feel a little warm.
Oh yeah, tingles. Cheers.
Oh!
Ooh? Ooh, as in, ooh, the first shot did actually touch the sides, or, ooh, this isn't a large chocolate milkshake, so why in God's holy name am I drinking it?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna miss you so much when I leave.
I'm gonna miss you too. Oh,
You've been the highlight of this trip.
She's been, or rather is, the highlight of the state from which she resides in. And what makes you think you're going to escape exactly, Nick? You're on the menu! Believe me, Candy here isn't above eating fruit.
Seriously.
Aww.
You guys, make sure every video I do with her, make sure you watch it, obviously, but make sure you subscribe to her.
Oh.
Yeah. Seriously. She needs at least 200K. She deserves 1 million.
Oh, well, thank
but we
you
need to
so
get her.
much.
We need to get her to 200K, you guys. You know.
I still find it absolutely baffling that over 100,000 people would subscribe to somebody that predominantly records herself eating. I mean, yes, she's very upfront that she records herself eating, making mouth noises, and doesn't really care what anyone thinks. A trait that's rather admirable, in my humble opinion. And of course, those people did willingly choose to sit down, subscribe, and watch her videos, although I'm not entirely sure why. But then again, Nick over here, achieving 1 million subscribers, is also baffling to me. It's just people eating on camera. Most of them lack personality, entertainment value, and or talent, although I will certainly give Hungry Fat Chick the gold star between those two in terms of character.
And look at her awesome red dress, red top. It's not a dress, it's a top.
It's a dress.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, it's a dress, but I wear legging pants underneath.
Red always makes her pop.
Nick! You're so rude! Candy should elbow drop you at this point.
Pop. I know, red.
I need more red stuff.
Yeah.
I ruined my other red shirt.
Yeah, she said she got some grease on it. Which mukbang is responsible for that one?
I forgot.
Again, Nick! Stop it! Do you think poor Candy over there wants people to know about that? Oh, you're such a little grass! Candy, don't take it!
Feels good to have alcohol. I haven't had alcohol forever. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah.
You know, if it wasn't blatantly obvious that you were a raging flamer, Nick, this scene here would look like something from a BBW category on certain websites that shall not be named. That said, you do give off a feeder vibe, Nick. I may have to look into you further.
I came to Vegas to eat. You know, everyone comes here for their own thing.
Mm-hmm.
Gambling, drugs, sex, alcohol, partying, dancing. For me, it's food. Food.
Nick, for the last time! I can't believe you would just sit there in Candy's home, whilst recording no less, insulting her repeatedly. Those two ladies of stature should straight up sandwich you. I mean crush you. No, hold on, that's a euphemism for something, isn't it? Well, there's lots of glass there, Candy, I'm just saying.
Drinking what?
It was for a job, actually.
Oh.
See? Nick, you, sir, are a cretin.
What'd she do? Oh, she turned on the fan? Or?
Yeah, I turned on the fan.
Oh, cool.
Well, hopefully it'll cool. Okay.
Quality content, 1 million subscribers.
My mouth is dry. You feel the dryness?
No, not yet.
No.
Nick! I swear to God, Nick, I will return to the colonies specifically for you if you continue with this heinous, presumptuous, impolite, discourteous, and graceless behavior and language. You can't just ask a lady if she's dry. You spit on your hand when she's not looking and moisten her up yourself.
Okay, Candy, so
Yes.
What is the wildest thing you've ever done in Las Vegas?
The wildest thing I've ever done in Las Vegas?
This is one of those rare times that I genuinely do not want the answer to that question.
To keep this PG, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't have to keep it PG.
You do if you want that green monetization symbol, or do you get a pass because gay?
The wildest thing I've done in Las Vegas? Absolutely nothing.
Nothing?
I've done nothing wild in Las Vegas.
No bar hopping or
No,
like
I've not-
dancing
I've
on
not
tables,
gone-
dancing
I've
on
not
tables,
gone- no,
dancing
I've
on
not
tables.
Nikocado Avocado, really? You casually stroll into our girl Candy's abode. You make a lot of assumption. You insult her. You insult her friend. Your conduct has been anything but becoming, and now you say that. You, sir, are not only a peasant, but are somehow getting away with all of these fat jokes in front of them, and I'll probably get demonetized.
Oh, I take that back. I did go to one bar. It was Pink's Lounge when they were still a Pink's Lounge.
Uh-huh.
And it was for a BBW event.
Oh no. Candy, and here I thought you were a good Christian girl. How did this happen? One day you're eating 18 pounds of meat and milkshakes, the next you're at a feeder event being enabled by pervy creatures.
There was nothing wild going on.
Oh, just like
But-
networking, saying hello.
Yeah, but I almost got picked up there. So,
Ooh.
yeah, some guy asked me how long I was in the lifestyle. And I was like, what lifestyle?
Oh, thank God! Candy has clearly retained her innocence. We don't need to save her, well, except from Nick's garbage editing skills or lack of tone and grace, but I think I can confidently walk away knowing that our girl Candy's feelings were not hurt by the fruity menace that is Nikocado Avocado. But that's the end of today's video and the last Lord Bear appearance of 2018. I truly hope you all had a lovely Christmas, and I wish you all a very happy New Year's. I've been Lord Bear for the final time of the current year. Cheerio!